A new technology course is offered to local business owners and entrepreneurs.
Participants can 3D print their way to success thanks to the new resource. Nikelle Delgado went to the class. Nikelle, those behind the idea say once someone takes this course, the sky's the limit.
Well, Eric and Mimi, this 3D printing class starts off with the basics, and then you can keep advancing. Organizers say it's a chance for entrepreneurs to get into business without breaking the bank.
Creating our own businesses in our home and be able to sell things online. I think it's an amazing opportunity for people to be able to have this.
Wednesday, Rockford Small Business Development Center hosted its first 3D printing certification class. Scotty Welch took part. Her goal is to create her own keychain business.
So I'm seeing things that I've already seen, but they're going more in depth. So now I'm learning about parts that I've seen, but maybe I didn't know their name or what their function was.
State Representative Maurice says the purpose of the class is to give a leg up to the community and local businesses.
Helping people in our community to live out their dreams and help them to see how your entrepreneurial spirit can be a benefit to the 3D printing and how 3D printing can be a benefit to their entrepreneurial vision.
Director of the SBDC, Edward Casares, says the technology can eliminate cost, a barrier many new business owners face.
You can take the orders and just in time print it out, customize it and send it back. So you save time, don't waste materials, you don't need a big order to get a really decent price when the people buy online, for example.
Scotty says she is excited to get her business off the ground.
To see the object actually get made and then know that, hey, I made this, like that's an amazing thing. And to have the power to say, if I want to own my own business, I could pay $300 for a printer, take this free class, and I can have my own business.
For more information on how you can take this free 3D printing course, find this story on mystateline.com. Eric, Mimi.